Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with a Christian or Western bridal eye makeup tutorial. I always do traditional Indian bridal eye looks, but this time I decided to go for a Christian bridal look because I have never done a Western or Christian bridal look here on my channel, and to switch things up even more, I decided to go with cool toned shadows. I always use warm tones, but this time I decided to go with cool toned theme. And you can wear this look to any party, to any occasion. This can be your birthday party makeup look, engagement makeup look, or your wedding guest makeup look. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. First, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer in the shade medium natural, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows using this lip brush from Pune store. Then I'll be applying the same concealer on my eyelid to prime my eyelid for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. And I have been uploading a lot of YouTube shorts like bridal eye makeup, party makeup, and so many like fun tutorials. I don't know if you are watching those videos or not. Please go ahead and watch my YouTube shorts. I'm sure you are going to love them. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild translucent loose powder, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. I am using these eyeshadow shades which I got from Amazon, and now I am taking Dada Issue from my MAC Cosmetics Art Liberty Flamboyant palette. Yes, Flame-boyant I believe. And with this Morphe M441 brush, I am applying it as my transition color. This is a beautiful matte cool toned brown shade, and I'm slowly building it up to have that intensity. The best thing about this eyeshadow palette is the shadows are not supremely pigmented, but if you build it up, you can get that full intensity, which is actually really good in case you are a beginner. You do not want to mess up. And there are some shadows which are pigmented, but when you try to blend it, they just become patchy. But it does not happen with this eyeshadow palette, so this is perfect for beginners. You can see when I first applied the shade, it looked so light, but when I built it up, it turned out to be a perfect transition shade for my skin tone. And look at the blend. The shadow is looking seamless, isn't it? And now I am taking this particular shade called Everyone's Darling. Such a cute name. And this is a matte like dark brown shade, and I am applying it mainly focusing on my outer V area as well as on my crease. And I am using this brush from Morphe again, and I'm again slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. However, the formula is so good. These shadows do not become patchy pretty easily. So yeah, and I'm using a small blending brush just to apply the color on my crease. I am mainly focusing it on my crease. I am not dragging it towards my brow bone at all, because I wanted to have that smokiness on my outer V area as well as on my crease. It will give my eyes that contoured effect, that smokiness that I want. Now with a clean blending brush, I am just blending out everything to have a nice gradient look. If you are planning to do your own bridal makeup, just take that extra minute and blend out everything perfectly and seamlessly. The more you blend your shadows, the more seamless it will look. You do not want to end up with patchy eyeshadows, right? And now I am taking this particular shade. It is again a dark brown shade called Embark. It has a like strong, I would say cool toned vibe, strong black kind of a vibe, and I am applying it mainly focusing on my outer V area. The previous brown shade has kind of a purple undertone to it, purple burgundy undertone to it, but this one is a straight up like blackish brown shade. And now for my lid shade, I am going with this beautiful satin shimmer called La Vida Mocha. It is a like cool toned true cool toned brown shade, you can see. And I have so many eyeshadow palettes in my collection, but I don't think I have this type of a shade in my collection. And I love wearing this eyeshadow, this particular shade, on my lids on a day-to-day basis. Like, such a pretty shade, and it complements my skin tone. I have pretty warm undertone, but it really complements my skin tone. Yeah, the shimmer shades in these eyeshadow palettes, they are kind of satiny. They are not like metallic foiled shimmers, which actually gives your eyes a very elegant look. Now, taking that shade called Everyone's Darling, I am kind of tapping it here on the inner corner just to create a kind of a halo effect. Now I am taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, and I am applying it on top of my lashes. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I am going to smudge it anyway to make this look even smokier. I always like to use a matte black or brown eyeliner because it just helps my lashes, like my false lashes, to blend well with my natural lashes. Also, it gives my lashes a fuller looking appearance. Now with that matte brown shade, I'm just smudging it out and I'm just making it as smoky as possible. And smoky eyeliner looks are very much in fashion these days, so yeah, try it out. Instead of doing your regular wing, it just gives that beautiful sultry look. And now I am tightlining my eyes using my Milani eyeliner pencil in the shade After Dark. It is a matte black eyeliner pencil. I like to use a matte brown or a matte black eyeliner on my waterline. It just complements my skin tone and it gives my eyes a nice, like, bigger looking appearance. And now I am taking Everyone's Darling and I am smudging out my entire lower lash line just to give it a nice smoky gradient effect. And the brush that I am using is from Pune store. Now taking that first shade called Dada Issues, I am applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. And you can see it's creating a beautiful, like, gradient look, and it's kind of melting into my skin. Now I am taking What's the Pointillism, such a cool name, and I am highlighting the inner corner of my eyes as well as my brow bones. Curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. You can skip falsies if you want to, but for bridal look, I feel like falsies are must. For my falsies, I'll be using these Midnight Lashes from Kiss, and these lashes are so good. The style is my favorite. The outer part is so long and kind of flared out, and it gives my eyes that elongated effect, and these are really easy to apply at the same time. And that is pretty much it. And here is the completed eye look. How easy was that? Don't you think the eye look was so easy to create, and it is so elegant? I just loved the way it turned out. I think it is perfect for beginners as well. And again, you can wear this look to any party, and this type of looks go well with any outfit, be it Indian or Western. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so do not forget to check it out. And yes, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.